Hey babes, welcome back. Jumping right into this video. If you are for A, B, C, D, E, F, G, this video is for you. If you're otherwise, it's cool. You can kick it here too. If you guys have not already, now's a good time to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications. That way you know every single time I post and you don't miss it. And so, of course, I'm just starting off with freshly washed hair. You guys know I use Aussie Moist 3-minute moist shampoo, and then, well, I guess it's a conditioner, and then the moist shampoo as well. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I've literally only towel dried my hair. I'm going to be adding in a little bit of detangler, leave-in conditioner, and coconut oil, of course. I just use regular coconut oil. I think it's like unprocessed or something like that, or unrefined. And then the Grow Baby Grow detangler as well. So that is that on that. So today's video is in collaboration with CurlsCurls Hair Company. They did go ahead and send me their clip-ins. Of course, all the details will be listed in my description box below. I originally wanted like a shorter inch, but they actually, as a courtesy, sent me a 16-inch. So that is lovely. I'm going to be doing a half up, half down style. Of course, if you want to see other versatile styles with these same clip-ins, definitely let me know, because I really couldn't think of anything, to be honest. I don't know, my creative juices just really were not going. So you may see many half up, half down clip-in tutorials. I don't want you guys to feel like those are the only options that you have if you decide to buy this set. But nevertheless, you guys are going to be on this natural hair journey with me, so you definitely want to make sure that you are moisturizing your hair, leaving it as protected as possible. I am not going to be leaving out any hair because it's just no need. So I'm kind of treating the clip-ins almost as a removable weave. I mean, it's not really a wig, but yeah, so that's that. And then just moisturizing, like I said, with the coconut oil. So now that I have my hair pretty much sectioned off from the front half to the back half, a little less in the front than the back, because I got a big forehead, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and section that off into two different little ponytails. And what I'm gonna be doing is just like two chunky plaits. It doesn't have to be anything structured or really nice and neat. If you guys don't know how to braid, that is completely fine. You can actually just move your hair down into two low ponytails. Because it's curly hair, you won't even notice. If you do this with straight hair and you put your ponytail low enough, you can get the same result. So that is just that on that. Okay, my arms were freaking tired trying to get this hair into an actual like sleek little braid, but by the end of it I definitely did what I needed to do. So just to kind of give you I guess a preference to the actual hair and what it is that I did to prep this, the clip-ins will come already in a bundle. You go ahead and clip that out, everything that you need. When I say clip it out, I literally mean like cut off the it'll be like a band that's attached to it, and then go ahead and just condition it and allow it to air dry. That's all that I did. So the hair was like somewhere between almost dry and dry when I actually made this video. So yeah, that's just kind of to get rid of that like steamed curl that it'll come with, because it kind of looks funny to me. So definitely any hair that you're receiving, especially now, you definitely want to make sure that you are washing, shampooing, conditioning, all that stuff, just to get any bacteria or any weird chemicals that may have been sprayed on the hair or may have somehow got on the hair in you know, in its shipping or transit process. So for my edges, I'm going to be using Style Factor, the Edge Booster. This is the purple one. I think it smells like grapes. I mean, it works, it does the job, but not my favorite edge control. I'm realizing that now. I do know that they have a newer one out that's supposed to be a little bit more of a better hold. To me, it holds my hair comfortably, just not at first, if that makes sense. So lay this around my entire hairline. You guys can kind of see what I mean. Like, it's just kind of really wet, and I usually would prefer a conditioner, not a conditioner, but an edge control that's going to be more waxy, so that I can kind of get the look right away, as opposed to having to get that wet look. But this works for the curly hair because you want it to look really, really natural and soft. So if you do get some waves in your hair, you can kind of appreciate it because it adds to the style. If you're going to be doing this with straight hair, you will see what I mean. I'll be doing a video on like a straight ponytail really soon, so you guys will kind of see what that looks like, how annoying it is, and how that the edge control does not benefit your 4C life. Okay, so yeah, for brushes, of course, you guys know I use a really, really hard brush. I'm not really tender-headed, so you might want to use something softer if you are uncomfortable with that. And I put my hair in this little cute little ponytail or a little puff ball at the top of my head, apply a little bit more edge control, get these baby hairs in line. Now you guys, I have to be real with y'all, okay? So I told y'all that I did this whole natural hair journey, but I've still been texturizing my edges. And when I say my edges, is literally the only like baby hair areas, because my hair still curls up, and the texturizer, it doesn't like get my hair super duper straight, but it definitely helps my edges kind of lay down a little bit easier. If you guys want to see a video on that, I know it's going to be crazy in the comment section. Let me know. I'll show you, just so that you kind of understand my process and how this really helps my arms and my, you know, just my head, because it needs a lot of help right now, you know, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid down the ponytail, put on a rubber band just to put in like a little bitty bun, and kind of go like, you're good. This is a style. That's it. I'm done. I'm kidding. So anyway, this is what it should look like. The hair comes into this little soft satin baggie, and then you have these extra clips just in case any of them fall off. You can kind of sew them back on or make additional clip-ins if you need to. It comes with a brochure just to tell you how to pre-poo and all that stuff with the hair. Look at those curls. Look at that. Yeah, so the hair was really, really soft. It did hold the smell of like the Aussie moist conditioner that I use. The hair is really bouncy, full, like I told you, half dry, half wet. And it's more of like a 4A type of curl. I guess, is it like 3C, 4A? Y'all, I don't get caught up in this texture stuff. Like, the hair looks good, okay? That's it. It feels good, looks good, all that stuff. So I did use the entire amount of clip-ins. I didn't like spare anything. I made everything fit. So I kind of started from the bottom using, I think, 3 or 4 clips that had 3 going across, and then as I worked my way up, I think I used 2 of the clip-ins that had 4 or 5 going across, and then the last couple that were like left, I used 2 at the top. Y'all will see, there's really no explanation, but I know somebody's going to ask me like, girl, how many did you use? Where'd you put it? That's the only reason I'm attempting to explain this. And I'm even getting confused. So just be a visual learner for today, you know. Take that time out and watch the video. You guys will see it. And if you need to run it back, you definitely could do that. Like, this is super duper easy. I did not speed up any of the clips. So it literally took me, I believe, 45 minutes. Did it take 45? Yeah, I think about 45 minutes just from like beginning to end, because I had my camera running during times that just I was literally doing nothing. So I'm going to give this hairstyle a solid 30 minutes, like from start to finish. Of course, washing your hair is not going to be included, but that's just that on that. The hair looks really, really nice. I'm going to go ahead and shut up now, and then I will be back once we get to the top so that you guys can see how the bun and the ponytail area is done. Alright, so boom, we have all the clip-ins and the hair is looking real nice, sleek, defined curls. You want to be really gentle because you don't want to pull apart the curl. Obviously, with this style, tying it up and things like that, the curls are going to get more frizzy on its own, so you kind of want to let it do that on its own timing. As far as the clip-ins in the middle, because my hair is like really, I don't know, the middle of my scalp gets really sensitive, I undid the clip-in there because it was anchored from both sides, so I didn't really need it to be in the middle. So just be cautious of that. Clip-ins can cause tension on your scalp, so definitely make sure that you're kind of putting them a little bit off and give it something to anchor to, as opposed to laying like completely flush with your part, if that makes sense. So to do the I guess the actual bun or ponytail, I'm using one of the larger ends just so that I can continue to wrap it around the ponytail, literally just clipping it to my hair. So I'm using my hair as the anchor, clipping it on in a very messy way. It's not going to be cute at all because obviously there's a clip there. And so yeah, I mean, I don't know, that's pretty much just it. I continue to wrap this around until I get to the end of the clip, and I think I had one more clip left. It was like a 2 or 3 prong clip or track with whatever. I'm being so nonchalant in this video, and I don't even know why, because I really like the hairstyle, but I think I'm tired. Just like I remember what it was like doing this hairstyle. I was really tired. So yeah, this is the last clip. Go ahead and just snap those out, and unclipping and reclipping each clip, if that makes sense, does take really like little effort. So I know I'm kind of looking like I'm struggling a little bit. It's just because my arms were literally tired. So yeah, once you take the end of the hair, normal as any other ponytail I have shown you guys, go ahead and just wrap that around the base just to kind of hide the beginning of the track. Wrap it as tight as you can, and this is kind of where you decide if you want to wear the hair just out as a regular ponytail, your hair is hidden up under there, or you can go ahead and kind of style it into a bun. That's what I decided to do from here. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. I will definitely give you guys an update because I didn't take the hair right out. So if you want to see an additional video, let me know. This video is going to be posted tonight. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section. That way I won't remove the clip-ins and I can kind of give you a follow-up on exactly what it's doing. The color is really nice. The density is perfect. Like a full natural head of hair. I don't feel like you need any more, any less. You can definitely get the style in using one set of clip-ins. You don't need to purchase more or be afraid that it's not going to be enough. I promise you, I forced all of this hair into my head. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Definitely all the details will be in my description box below. And then if you guys have not already, make sure to check out their site as well, because I'm going to ask them for coupon codes so that I can kind of give you a little bit of extra goodies on the side. You can kind of save a little bit of money. Definitely make sure to subscribe, all that good stuff. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies.